Hello, Namaste and welcome back to Mommy Mantra. Today I am going to show you how to make mint curry leaf pulao. It is a quick recipe and it can be made in less than 10 minutes. This is a perfect lazy day recipe where you don't have to spend much time in the kitchen, yet you get to eat delicious food. Let's get into the ingredient list. Any doubts on the ingredients or the recipe, please do check the free printable recipe attached in the description box. Step 1. We need to make a puree. That is, I am taking a handful of mint here and handful of curry leaves. I am keeping the ratio equal. You have to definitely take handful of curry leaves to get that aroma and flavor into our pulao. Now I am using 3 chilies. Adjust it according to your spice level, and a clove of garlic. As you see, it is a big clove. If you're using smaller ones, you may need 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, and an inch piece of ginger. I'm keeping this recipe simple, so I'm just using 2 cloves, a piece of cinnamon and 1 cardamom. Add everything into the jar. You need to add 2 spoons of salt. I'm adding all the salt into the puree which is required in the recipe, and a half glass of water. You can also add curd here if you like it little tangy. Now we need to make it into a puree. Let's take a pan and I'm adding around 1 tablespoon of oil to it. I'm using olive oil. You can use any oil. If you like, you can also use half oil and a spoon of ghee, and add 1 spoon of jeera to it. Next goes in curry leaves and then some mint. 1 medium sized roughly chopped onion goes into the pan now. Add a pinch of salt and saute it for 2 minutes. Once you see onions turn translucent, you can add your favorite vegetables. I am using potatoes here. You can also use carrots, beans, cauliflower, whatever you like. Just to make it quick and simple, I am just keeping it to 1 veggie, that is potato. I have chopped it into wedges. Adding them to the pan now. We need to saute it for around 3 to 4 minutes on medium to high heat till the potatoes turn brown and crispy. Saute the potatoes till they turn brown, as I am showing now in the video. By this stage they will be almost cooked 90%. Now we'll be adding the puree which we have done in the step 1, mint and curry leaf puree. I have added all the spice and salt required for the recipe into the puree. We need to cook this puree for around 7 to 8 minutes along with the vegetables. Because we have grinded everything raw, we did not fry it before grinding it. So cooking this for around 7 to 8 minutes on medium to low flame, do not close the lid, is really important. If you don't cook it properly, the raw smell of the mint and curry leaves remains in the pulao. We don't really want that. So we definitely have to cook it for around 7 to 8 minutes. See, at this stage there's a little oil floating up and there is no water left. Now we need to add cooked rice. I have around 2 cups of cooked rice here. Add it to the pan. Once you add it to the pan, reduce the flame to low. Next 2 powder spices which goes into the pulao are coriander powder and garam masala. 1 spoon of coriander powder and a half spoon of garam masala. Mix it up all well. I've added a spoon of ghee. Mix everything well. Finish it off with a half lemon, a squeeze of lemon, and our mint curry leaf pulao is ready to serve. Isn't it quick and easy? Yes, and it's sumptuous and tasty too. Serve it hot with your favorite raita and enjoy. If you do try this recipe, don't forget to let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. As you all know the drill, like, share and subscribe to Mommy Mantra. See you all in my next video. Bye for now.